how to see your YouTube watch history on your mobile device. So this should work on pretty much all mobile devices, including iOS and Android. So to access or to see the watch history of YouTube and probably find videos you've already watched, you will need to click on your profile icon at the bottom. And then you should see under your profile, you should see a history section and playlists section. So next to the history section, there is a view all button. So you should simply click on it, and this should load up your entire history, including long format video and shorts. And in the search bar, you can simply type the name of the video to search in your search history. And then you can simply click on any video to start watching it again. Now, if you want to clear your watch history, you should click on the three vertical dots on the top right hand side, and then click on clear watch history, and then click on clear watch history again. And this should clear your watch history across all the devices linked to your Google account and YouTube account. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.